Hi, I'm Dr. PJ Laurito. I'm a chiropractic physician. I've been practicing here in the Las Vegas area for 3 decades. In these videos, I want to show you how we treat patients, what kinds of therapies we do, and how we get people feeling better and back to a pain-free lifestyle at Complete Care 3.0. I reviewed some of the forms that you filled out regarding your ankle. It is your left ankle, correct?
Yes.
So if you would, go ahead and take off your shoe and your sock for me. So first I want to understand, you're an acrobatic performer. You're in one of the shows on this strip and you constantly run, jump, twist, tumble, twirl, right? Basically. So did you have a specific injury at one point where you hurt your ankle?
No.
No? Okay, so it's just kind of a wear and tear. And how old are you now?
34.
34. So unfortunately, once we get over 30, we start to get a little bit slower, a little bit weaker, and a little bit sore. So have you done any therapy or anything for this before? Okay, so today's gonna be the best day of your life, I promise. So the first thing we're gonna do is look at your ankle. Now we already did x-rays on it, and I showed you the x-ray where there's nothing broken, and we looked at the condition of the ankle in terms of the bones, and there's no arthritis, no torn Achilles or tendons. And because this is your professional work, it's very important that we did the x-rays first, just to make sure that there's no structural abnormalities, no foreign objects, all that. So since we've already looked at them and I showed you those, now I want to take a look physically at your ankle. So the first thing I want to do is understand, when does it hurt? When you lift your foot this way, when you step on it? Talk to me about that.
First, every morning when I wake up, difficult walking.
Too stiff?
Yes, and then I go walk 10 minutes and then getting better.
Okay. During your performances at work, do you have any particular things you can't do now because of the pain?
No, I can do, but when jumping, tumbling, I feel a little bit.
Yeah, and thank God you're only 34, because as you get older, you'll have more issues. So the first thing I want you to do is flip your foot up. Is there any pain when you do that? Now flip it down for me. Is there any pain when you do that? Now back to neutral. Now I want you to flip it up, but I'm gonna push against it. Go ahead. Any pain when you do that? Okay, same thing, push against my foot. Any pain when you do that? Yeah. The last 2 things I want you to do is flip your foot in. Yes, now I'm gonna push it out, you resist. Any pain?
No.
Good, same thing, flip it out. I'm gonna push the other way. Any pain? Perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is palpate and see the joints fixed or not. And there's one fixation in here, so what we're gonna do is have you lie on your back there, and I'm gonna put some motion in this joint, and we're gonna get you feeling a lot better. So you just lay down on your back, and what I'm gonna do is come right in here to this joint, and you just hold on the side of the table. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Now flip your foot up, and now down. Now we're gonna do it relaxed, totally relaxed. Perfect. Perfect. And the last thing we're gonna do is put a little bit more motion. Think of the beach. Perfect. Did you feel it?
Yes.
You're gonna feel so much better. Come on up. Yeah. What we're gonna do is we're gonna give you specific therapy, like therapeutic ultrasound. Then I'm gonna give you some specific exercises that you can do in the morning and at night, because that's when you're most sore and stiff. And it'll probably take us about 2 to 3 weeks. And then after that, you should be able to take care of it, because you're a world-class performer, so you know how to exercise and stretch. So I don't want to waste your time or your money by coming in here to do things you can do at home on your own. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Perfect. Pleasure meeting you, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Yes.